Okay. Probably have clothes on. Woohoo! And Jess, ma'am, you should have gloves on. Okay, so let me tell you what I did. I cut the flashing to 40.5 inches, and that is the diameter of a pie plate that I'm using, a pizza plate. I have measured the middle out. I have a draw harp that I'm putting here. I used 1/8 drill bit, and I am about to attach the one end of the draw harp. Okay. Okay, I have made my rudimentary markings. I don't know what you're going to see. I'm left-handed. I'm sorry.
Installing.
Alright, let's see if I can... Still have one more screw to put into it, but I want to see. Yeah, this isn't anything to play with. I am doing this so dangerously. On with my project. Okay, no, this is a temporary setup. I mean, nothing is on there permanent yet. And like I said, the hardware store only had one of these. I could have gotten away with 2, but because I could only get 1, I'm putting it in the middle. That's gonna hold that nice. Okay, and like I said, I'm as far as I can go with this. Okay, so now I have traced the flashing onto this cardboard. I'm going to cut it out, and that's what I'm going to do now. Did you figure out what I was making yet? I am excited about this. It might not look like much, but the fact that I don't have to tear it all apart and recut everything is just huge for me. Because I'm one of those, I'm just going to eyeball it and pray for the best. Okay, so this definitely is a rough prototype. Of the old aluminum foil Girl Scout oven. Now it definitely has a couple of stages to go yet before it is an actual working model. I would like for it to accordion so that it fits in my backpack, but I want to be absolutely sure before I put any type of cutting tool towards that flashing. And why? Why did I make this? Well, one, to see if I could do it. Two, it's definitely an improvement on the square boxed Girl Scout tinfoil oven. I'm always looking for things to make my life just a little bit easier when we are hiking and hammock camping in a permanent situation. And it is a significant birthday for my husband. And we're going to be hammock camping. I don't want to say to him, happy birthday, here is a hot dog. Enjoy. Not that he wouldn't be thrilled to death with receiving a hot dog. But I want to be able to lavish that man with some good food. And if this works, that's what I'm going to do. Like I said, I'm excited that it's coming along. I'm excited that you're along for the project. I only have a couple more steps and then we can test it. I'm definitely going to have a bucket of water or a fire extinguisher close outside. Okay, I've just completed the next step, and it was to cover the cardboard with aluminum foil, heavy duty aluminum foil. Okay, as I told you before, everything was temporary. So I took the draw harp off and turned it over and put it on the correct side. Alright, so we should be ready to go to roll this. Second. Okay, my mind is just going a million miles a second. You know, because the more I advance into this, the more, not necessarily problems, but things that I did not account for. I need to learn how to weld. Alright. Well, it will work itself out. Or I will figure it out. Back to that, I wish I knew how to weld. I've always wanted to weld. But that's another time and place. Okay, so that's a very rough prototype of a hiking oven. Now, I would like to be able to accordion it so the flashing is on the inside. I have to think about that a little bit more before I cut it and make a mistake. Yeah. With every day, there is an improvement. Or a setback with a positive outcome.